A new generation of nano-coating technology is applied to the surface treatment of aluminum alloy wheels, which can form a dense protective layer on the surface of aluminum alloy wheels, and the color and luster are more dazzling and bright. Dura-Surface second-generation coated wheels can effectively protect the wheels from discoloration and corrosion, more than twice as many as the first generation. Wheels treated with Dura-Surface second-generation coating are easier to maintain. After being used for a period of time, only soapy water or neutral cleaning agent needs to be mixed with water for washing to restore the shine effect, thus effectively protecting the environment and reducing the maintenance cost. Because the coating is integrated with aluminum alloy, even after hundreds of cleanings, it can still maintain a bright appearance and prevent peeling. Each cleaning saves the owner more than half of the time. Compared with the first-generation products, the second-generation products have more dazzling visual effects, brighter appearance, easier cleaning, more durable, harder and firmer,